What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Just Derek here, Big Boy Artistry. Wanting to say hey to everybody. Hope everybody had a good day. Now, today, to finish off my color series of red, we're going to do a 12 by 12 flip cup. My second favorite pour technique. Now, what I have here is metallic white from Artist Loft, brilliant red from Artist Loft, bright aqua green from Liquitex, and light blue permanent from Liquitex. Alright, these colors I just threw together because I felt like it. And because I want to be different. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to start with a little bit of blue. Then we got the red. We're going to put the red in there. Then we got the white. Go throw some white in there to get it started. Oh, I did put silicone in the white. Now we're going to do the green. I only wanted silicone in one color, just to see what would happen to it. All right, a little bit more white. All right, now we're going to do more blue. Let's do the rest of the blue. All right, and to finish off, we got the red, and that is our series color. All right, and that's done. That's done. All right. Whoops. All right, the bright aqua green is now done. Now, I like doing different things with these flip cups, which is why it's one of my favorite. Normally, I'll do like 3 or 4 colors with silicone, but I'm only using one this time because I haven't done one with just one color this time. So I'm going to try it out, see how I like it. All right, there will be more series to come later down the road, but I just thought I'd do the first one to see how I like it. Still new to this YouTube thing, so I'm still trying to figure some stuff out. But for now, just do some videos to inspire and to have a good time. All right, to show off my skill to all of you guys. Now, I could do it one of 2 ways. I could use a spatula to flip it up, put it on there, but I'm going to do it this way because I have big hands and I can do it. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. All right. I'm going to leave it there for just a sec. Let everything get to the bottom. Give it a couple taps. Now, while I'm giving it a couple seconds, I have had people in the past say, why do I actually do my videos? Which started on Instagram. The reason why I do my videos is because I like to show off my skill. And I enjoy what I do, and I would like to maybe one day inspire other people to get into acrylic pour painting. I like doing this. It makes me happy. It keeps me calm, cool, and collected. When I've had a bad day, I can come into my studio, make a painting. And I love, love, love to inspire people. Because I've also heard people say, well, somebody told me I can't do this. I didn't know how to do it. Don't let anybody tell you you don't know how to do this. Don't let nobody tell you you cannot do this. Okay? This is easy. And no matter what you do, no matter what you do in life, do not ever let anybody tell you you cannot do it. Okay? Just smile and just say thank you and walk away. Okay? Because they are not worth your time. I've heard that too much, and people try and knock you down and say you can't do it. Then why are you even trying? Just say thank you and walk away. Because if you wake up and you want to do this for the rest of your life, by all means, do it for the rest of your life. Don't let nobody tell you you can't do it. Inspiration. If you need inspiration, go on YouTube and look at all the other creators on YouTube. Molly's Artistry, Olga Solby, Tick This Art, just to name a few. Ooh, that's kind of nice. I like that. All right. We've all done it. And Wiggles on Facebook. I found Wiggles on Facebook. All of them do amazing art. So it is possible. Don't let anybody tell you you can't do it. Be inspired. I ran out of butane for my other, for this one. I got to get more butane, so I got to use an oldie but goodie. Old reliable, old reliable. All right, let's go ahead and tilt and stretch, see what we can do with it. All right, like I said, I've only done silicone in one color, which is a white. And right now, this is actually looking kind of nice. I kind of like all the colors that are blended together. All right, we're just gonna do a quick cover here. Oh, look at that. Ooh, that's nice. I like that. I like that. I do. I like that very much. Again, I really enjoy doing this because it's fun coming up with different things. I mean, I've done colander pours, which are pretty cool. There's one I wanted to try, and I'm going to be trying it over the next couple of days. I'm not going to tell you what I'm using because I want it to be a surprise. On one of my videos I'm going to be doing very soon. I'm gonna show it off and see what it looks like in front of everybody else. See if I can get some comments. All right, let's tilt that back. Let's put that back in the center. All right, and there you go. There you go. One of my favorite pours, my second favorite pour is a flip cup, which I love doing this. I love doing these because you can do so much with this. And you can never do the same pour twice. I mean, you can try and replicate this, but it ain't gonna happen. You cannot do the exact same pour. Which is why I love doing this particular art, because it is so different and so mesmerizing that it's just phenomenal what we can do with these colors. You can blend colors together. I do have a color wheel. I just don't use it. Well, not all the time. I don't like using a color wheel because I like to be different. I want to stand out from the crowd. Just like everybody else wants to do. They all want to stand out from the crowd. And this is my version of standing out in the crowd. Now, as you can see, I like this a lot. Got the big cells coming in. Let me go ahead and wipe off my hand so I get the torch to it. See if I can bring out a little bit more cells. Now, what inspires me is just that. Doing all of this, creating different things. It is so much fun creating different things. I just love doing this so much. And I hope I inspire somebody, just one person. If I can inspire one person to do this, excuse me. If I can inspire one person to do this, then I'm happy. I'm just ecstatic because somebody wants to do this and they needed inspiration, and that's what I wanted to do. Inspire. That is the main goal of this. All right, we're going to let that go. We're going to let that sit for a minute. And I'll be back with a close-up look. All right. Hey guys, I'm back. This is the overview of the flip cup I did. The last in a series of colors red. You know, as you can see. The cells came out very nice. I'm happy with the outcome. And I hope you enjoyed as much as I love doing it for you. Again, if you like any of my content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And go ahead and go to my website, bigboyacrylicdesign.com, where I have all my merch as well as all my pictures for sale. So if you want to go check them out, go ahead. That's bigboyacrylicdesign.com. And the description the website will be in the description. All right, guys, for now, take care of yourselves. Have a good night, and I'll see you next time.